From our studios in Lucknow, Syed Asim Waqar and Atul Kumar Ranjan of the Samajwadi Party and the Communist Party of India. Rita Bahuguna Joshi of the Congress. Sudhanshu Trivedi, National Spokesperson of the BJP. Ajay Bose, Senior Journalist. Thank you very much. Let's begin. Why are you helpless, Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi? We are seeing the pictures out there. This is a deliberate ploy on part of some of your leaders to exploit a situation that is communal in nature. You have seen the pictures which have happened there today. Your party leaders are provoking the violence. There are RSS members, Hindu Mahasabha members who are part of this communal rubbish that's going on there. And why is your party President Rajnath Singh and your Prime Minister Narendra Modi unable to do anything? What is holding them back? Is this the अच्छे दिन? क्या ये वो अच्छे दिन है जिसकी प्रॉमिस आपने की थी मई तक? किस तरह के अच्छे दिन है ये?
Strange.
What is strange?
I am strange. If some people are going for have a peaceful demonstration against anything, still you blame us for being a troublemaker? If at all there was an issue of putting loudspeakers on the religious places, if it is equally applicable on religion, we are having no problem. If it is partial, then if somebody wants to have a peaceful protest in a democratic manner, still you take a confrontationist attitude. And I would like to remind, if this government, which has tried to withdraw the cases against those who are accused of terrorist activities on the basis of religion, on the other hand, you are stopping those who are going to have a peaceful demonstration. How can you expect a justice from this government? And moreover, their political supporters, which are the other political parties.
Sir, you are. I don't know why you are doing this.
Supporters.
I don't know why you are doing this. You have escalated the situation. You have escalated the situation up to a point. Consider the people you chose to send to the Mahapanchayat. These Sudhanshu Trivedi, you know.
No, the problem
you know that these people.
Uttar Pradesh government.
You know that these people are history cheaters.
Supporters like Congress Party. The reason
they are history cheaters.
The main cause of law and order problem in Uttar Pradesh.
You want to create another riot.
The community of the criminals has always been witnessed.
Was Sandeep Som booked for his role in the Muzaffarnagar violence? Was the Mahapanchayat banned by the government? Was section 144 of the Criminal Procedure Code invoked or not the day the BJP announced a call for the Mahapanchayat? It had been in place for 6 days. And yet you hold a massive gathering over a situation that is undoubtedly communal. Is the situation communal?
If the government of Uttar Pradesh
is the situation communal?
Muzaffarnagar is unable to take hold of the situation that even another district something happens.
This is the most ridiculous argument I have heard. This is the most ridiculous argument I have heard. You stoke the violence and then you say the UP government can't do anything about it. Okay, let's go to Atul Kumar Ranjan and Syed Asim Waqar. We are opening the debate. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, feel free to come in. Let's get the first reaction from our guests in Lucknow there. Atul Kumar Ranjan and Syed Asim Waqar. Either of you, if you want to respond to Sudhanshu Trivedi.
No, one thing very crystal clear, Arnabji. We have a experience what happened few months back in Muzaffarnagar. It's a react by the BJP in Moradabad, in Kant. They are trying to repeat the same thing. And a state government cannot be a mute spectator. They have responsibility to maintain law and order. It's not the question that what has happened in Muzaffarnagar, it has a nationwide repercussion. If something goes wrong in Moradabad Kant, it will have a repercussion. And for them, the state government of Uttar Pradesh is also equally responsible, and the center of Narendra Modi government is also responsible. At this point of time, when India is facing many-fold crisis, and the center government has failed to check up the price rise, at that point of time, peace and tranquility must be the order of the day.
Are you trying to distract attention?
Government has
one second. To the BJP, the question is, because you are unable to control the price rise situation, are you trying to distract the situation by creating communal trouble? Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, have your priorities right. The local administration has made its position very clear. You go and challenge them. Tell me, Mr. Trivedi, what if there was a riot today?
Can't hear anything.
Would you take responsibility for it? Let's get Rita Bahuguna Joshi in. Rita Bahuguna Joshi.
Responsibility should be on the part of the government. Why they have imposed a ban?
I would like
we should ask the government what was the logic of imposing a ban, that too on one community only.
I think the people of Uttar Pradesh want a complete ban.
in the
And
next
there
2
must be
months.
a ban.
They will want to
Nobody should be
once
allowed
again further polarize
to take
the
the law and order
state.
into
And the
hand.
next 2 years they want to
And
capture power.
measures has to
And
be
the
taken
way they are
for the
behaving is
safety
absolutely
of the
undemocratic.
men and women,
Mr. Trivedi
for
is
the
saying it was
peace.
peaceful
And I tell
demonstration.
you,
We have seen how their people in Lucknow threw bottles full of petrol at the police. They injured the senior police officials. They planned this. All the agencies of the Sangh Parivar are already descended on that village. Now this loudspeaker was there for the past 15 years. Why was there no trouble before? They have created Muzaffarnagar crisis, which led to a very, very disastrous riot. And now again they're doing the same thing in Western UP. See, moreover, they want to divert the attention of the people. They want to divert attention from the crises that the nation is facing. How ridiculous it is that 3 MPs are marching on for an issue which is a local issue. It could have been sorted out by the local leaders with the administration. And there was Section 144 in this Mahapanchayat, the way people collected, that they are fighting on the rail lines with the police. It's absolutely not taken. They are trying to polarize UP further. And this is the strategy which Amit Shah tried in UP, and this is being furthered by them.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
This divisiveness
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
is not for our country.
No,
And
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
we will not allow it.
No, Sudhanshu Trivedi, please think about this, right? And I go to Ajay Bose and Syed Asim Wakar. What is this fight all about? I just want to tell our viewers. The BJP says there has to be a loudspeaker at a temple and we have to play it during the holy month of Ramzan. And it has to be played. Now, I don't understand here. The local administration has said very clearly, Ajay Bose, there is no tradition of a temple concerned having a loudspeaker. So, but you know, it is only only the BJP leaders who want to create a situation. You want to have a loudspeaker in a temple during the holy month.
Arnav, I would like to put one question.
One minute. Yes, Ajay.
Yeah, it's absolutely clear that the local BJP leaders are definitely playing with fire there. UP is the tinder box, and this communal atmosphere has been getting worse and worse and worse. And this Mahapanchayat, if it was allowed to take place, would have really created a major conflagration. We have seen the consequences of Muzaffarnagar. Now, I just want to ask the BJP that now that they have power in New Delhi, is this the right strategy? I mean, what will happen if UP goes up in flames? Who will bear the blame? Who will bear the responsibility? I don't understand. I mean, this is a very short-term game they're playing.
And if you can't do anything because of the RSS, Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, you should tell us that our real bosses in the RSS are real bosses. No, 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Let me speak, sir. The truth must be told. You can say today that our real bosses in the RSS are also involved in this. And we may have got 300 plus seats as a coalition in Delhi, but we are ruled from Nagpur. And if we dare to take any action against Sangeet Som, the RSS will be very unhappy. Say it, Mr. Trivedi. Say it, Mr. Trivedi,
It is totally wrong to extrapolate this thing to the RSS or to the Nagpur. It is solely dealing with the
Trivedi were members
justice
of the
and intention
RSS
of providing
and the Hindu
justice of the
Mahasabha
government.
with their supporters
I
also
would like,
present
forget
there.
about Hindu Mahasabha. And forget about the government. I would like all
Why
the
should I
panelists
forget
to
about
say,
the government?
if they are justifying putting down the loudspeakers from temples on the holy month, they would have allowed
Do you go around looking for trouble?
the loudspeakers from the other religious place during the Navratras? They would have never said like that.
Is this what you want to do to the country?
So if you are not doing that, why you are doing
this what you want to do to the country?
If the justice is not prevailed,
Sir,
then you are bound to have a reaction.
Sir,
Why
what
you
reaction?
raise these type of small issues
What reaction?
and create a problem there?
What reaction? What reaction? What justice? What justice? No law matters. He's a riot here, you're Mr. Trouble.
Putting a ban on one religious.
Then why did Mr. Modi say?
The other religious function.
Then why did Mr.
Is the thing going to serve the purpose?
Then why did Mr. Modi tell me?
Thing going to
No,
serve
then
the
why
purpose?
did? No, what's it? Syed Asim Wakar.
The purpose of vote bank only.
What vote bank? You're playing the vote bank. Syed Asim Wakar, let me get you in. I mean, I recall Narendra Modi telling me in May this year that immediate action was taken against these kind of leaders who made inflammatory comments like Amit Shah and Giriraj Singh. Despite all this, we see a series of incidents where the BJP has tolerated extreme provocation to communalized by your party members. Why did Narendra Modi tell me that he will stop this? Why did he tell me that? Why did he tell me that he will stop this?
Proper justice, there should be no communal angle. Either in
This
the
is 100% and pure communal angle.
or in the detention.
Syed Asim Wakar.
Detention of the
Okay,
criminal,
Syed Asim
or
Wakar.
observation in the
There is a
post,
Syed Asim
or in
Wakar.
the compensation of the right victim.
Syed Asim
Everything you
Wakar.
are giving a communal color.
let me reply,
And
Arnav.
nor on the religious festivals you are giving it a communal color. It is a sole failure of the state government. And for which unnecessary blame has been put on BJP or on the RSS.
Loudspeakers are traditionally used. If at any places the loudspeakers are used traditionally, all right, that's okay. But the new things cannot be allowed. There should be precedent for that. If somewhere loudspeakers are used, okay. If the traditionally, but a new thing if you start, it means you are opening a floodgate. You are allowing provocation, and here provocation is being allowed, and provocation is being, created, and they are the RSS and BJP people are responsible. And here, very interesting point, an amicable settlement by the BJP local leaders were made, and the RSS and BJP leaders and their MPs have destroyed. They have no understanding, the local leaders and the agreement, and they are trying to come for this Mahapanchayat, and one central minister also comes and tries to disturb the entire area.
I want the Samajwadi Party to now respond to the BJP. Consider at this part of the debate the BJP simply blames the UP government. Now there are things.
मैं रिस्पॉन्स कर रहा हूँ।
जी, करिए।
अतुल भाई बोलने लगे थे बीच में
जी।
तो देखिए अतुल जी ने बहुत अच्छी बात कही है कि nobody should allow to take the law and order in his hand. ये सच्चाई है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी का शुरू से एक काम रहा है कि वो हमेशा आग लगाने का काम करती है और ये उत्तर प्रदेश में आग लगाने का काम कर रहे हैं। मैं आपको बता दूं, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ मुरादाबाद के कांट जिले में वही एक मंदिर है। उत्तर प्रदेश में बहुत मंदिर हैं, लाखों मंदिर हैं, हिंदुस्तान में लाखों मंदिर हैं। मैं इनसे एक बात पूछना चाहता हूं, जब इनको पता है कि एक रमजान का महीना चल रहा है और एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर नमाज और तरावी पढ़ी जाती है, तो उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम के ऊपर अगर कोई शरारत की जा रही है और एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पर एक मंदिर को चुनकर की जा रही है, तो इनको क्या जरूरत पड़ गई थी। दूसरी बात मैं आपको बता दूं, आप चैनल वाले लोग हैं, आपके पास ज़्यादा जानकारियां होती हैं, आप अपने तौर पर जानकारी हासिल कर लें और लोकल इंटेलिजेंस से आप जानकारी हासिल कर लें। ये लोग इस तरह की वारदात को अंजाम देने के लिए पिछले 20 दिन से लगे हुए थे, 20-22 दिन से तैयारी कर रहे थे। इनकी जो मेन संगठन है आरएसएस और उसके पूरे टॉप टू बॉटम सारे लीडरान वहां इकट्ठा थे और ये लोग वहां के ऊपर लोगों को भड़का रहे थे कि इस तरह से आगे क्या करना है, प्लान करना है। और इनके एक सांसद हैं कुंवर सर्वेश सिंह, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहता हूं, वो एक गांव में गए, वहां पर 80% 75% वो गांव मुसलमानों का गांव था। उन्होंने जाके वहां पे किस तरह के भाषण दिए हैं, किस तरह की बात की है, लोगों से क्या कहा है, ये आपको जानकारी होगी। मैं यहां पर नहीं कहना चाहता हूं क्योंकि अच्छी बात नहीं है कि किसी चैनल पर बैठकर ओपनली इस तरह की बात की जाए। देखिए, ये चुनाव की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, जो चुनाव आ रहा है अभी, ये चुनाव की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और इनका शुरू से जब से इनकी पैदाइश हुई है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की, तब से इनका शुरू से एक ही फंडा है, इनकी स्ट्रेटजी एक है कि ये कभी भी सीधा तरीके से चुनाव नहीं लड़ते हैं। ये भाई को भाई से लड़ाकर, देश में आग लगाकर, हिंदू को मुस्लिम से बांटकर चुनाव लड़ते हैं और ये हमेशा से यही काम करते हैं। इनसे हम लोगों को कोई शराफत की उम्मीद नहीं है।
Sudhanshu Trivedi, do you realize that people across the country will feel let down at what you are doing today? You know what's going on. This man
Actually,
has openly...
people across the country,
No, Mr.
those who
Trivedi,
call
on the 9th of June, on the 9th of June, Sangeet Som says, I will create such a bawal कि कोई हैंडल नहीं कर पाएंगे। वीडियो पर है कि नहीं? सैयद असीम वाकर उन्होंने कहा था,
मैंने अर्नव
मैं ऐसा बवाल कर दूंगा।
लेकिन आपने ये बात कह दी है
जी,
तो इट इज बीन प्रूव्ड। संगीत सोम पहले ही ये बात कह चुके थे और अगर आप जांच करेंगे तो सर्वेश सिंह की भी आपको जानकारी मिल जाएगी कि किस तरह की बात उन्होंने की
communal conflagration.
आप किस बात से डरते हैं? What are you scared of, Sudhanshu Trivedi, that if you take a history sheeter out of your party, you lose votes? Have you no responsibility to the country?
Partly
Do you think people will forgive you for what you are doing?
Statement. But as far as today's incident is concerned,
Will you acknowledge? Will you acknowledge?
blame
No, I'd say
the entire
Sir,
political parties, those who call themselves the champion of secularism, Our friend from Samajwadi
Sir,
Party
this
was
is
saying,
not about
I would ask
secularism.
one question.
Again, the
Let me
same-
complete my
Why will you
sentence.
talk to me? What are you?
If you
are
want
trying to say about
that a
Samajwadi
certain
Party?
community-
How do you know and how much you know to Samajwadi Party and Samajwadi Party leader Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi?
Oh, no.
Realize
No.
कि आप गलती कर रहे हैं.
देखिए,
आप देश में आग लगाने का काम कर रहे हैं. आपको रियलाइज करना चाहिए.
यदि
आपको
आप
शर्म आनी
ईमानदार
चाहिए, इस तरह
थे,
की
मुझे
बात
अपनी
करना
वाक्य पूरा
अच्छी
करने
बात
दीजिए।
नहीं है।
यदि आप ईमानदार थे, सुनिए, यदि आप ईमानदार थे तो आप यह बात सामूहिक रूप से समाज के प्रमुख लोगों के साथ बैठ के कर सकते थे। आपने इसका ऑर्डर क्यों निकाला? जब आप ऑर्डर निकालते हैं तो सीधे सीधे आप एक किसी कम्युनिटी को लेट डाउन करने का काम करते हैं। इसका मतलब सांप्रदायिक विभाजन की शुरुआत आपने की।
अब जवाब सुन
और
लीजिए।
अन्यथा यह बात आप सामाजिक व्यवस्था के थ्रू क्यों नहीं कर सकते थे? पॉलिटिकल लीडर से क्यों नहीं बात की आपने? क्योंकि आप अपने वोट बैंक को मैसेज देना चाहते हैं।
पंचायत
Because you want to give a message to your vote bank, that's why you have given an order that there should be a blanket ban on any loudspeaker on the temples. This for your purely political motive.
सांसद जी हैं, उन्होंने जाकर लोगों को भड़काया कि हम क्यों दबेंगे, ये हमारे हिंदू भाइयों की
If the order would not have been there, then was the question of provocation.
कैसे बजा लेंगे आप कानून व्यवस्था को अपने हाथ में ले
अरे
लेंगे?
भाई, अगर आप आदेश नहीं निकालते तो भड़काने का तो प्रश्न ही नहीं था। आपने आदेश क्यों निकाला? आप ये बात समझा भी सकते थे। हर चीज लिखित आदेश से करके आप व्यवस्था में समस्या अधिक उत्पन्न करते
किसके
हैं।
आदेश की बात कर रहे हैं आप?
तो डीएम ने क्यों आदेश निकाला कि साहब बैन है? फ्रॉम वेयर वाज दैट बैन? इफ देयर वाज नो बैन तो वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम?
जब आप नहीं मान रहे हैं,
स्टेटमेंट्स आर
जब एक बात तय हो गई,
If there was no
लोगों
ban,
के बीच में एक बात
there was no
तय कर दी गई
order.
कि लाउड स्पीकर नमाज के टाइम पर बहुत धीमी आवाज में बजाया जाएगा, और लोकल के जो हिंदू भाई थे उन्होंने ये बात मान ली है। तो आपके सांसद को वहां पहुंचकर इस तरह की बात, क्योंकि वो वहां के लोकल लोगों से उन्होंने कम्युनिकेट नहीं किया और अपने लोगों को इकट्ठा करके आरएसएस की जब दाल नहीं गली और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की दाल नहीं गली, विश्व हिंदू परिषद की दाल नहीं गली, हिंदू महासभा की दाल नहीं गली, तो आप लोगों ने वहां पर अपने लोगों को इकट्ठा करने के बाद आप दंगा फैलाने का काम करते हैं। आपको शर्म आना चाहिए। देखिए, खाली मुसलमान
अगर लोगों ने मान लिया था तो वो लोग वहां पे क्यों आए?
और भी लोग मरते हैं। इस तरह के काम आप ना करें।
दंगों का जो इतिहास आपकी पार्टी का है, मैं समाजवादी पार्टी के सदस्य को बताना चाहता हूं, उत्तर प्रदेश के इतिहास में केवल 3 बार दंगों के कारण सेना बुलानी पड़ी है। नवंबर 90 में, सितंबर 94 में और पिछले साल 2013 में। तीनों बार सपा की सरकार थी। तीनों बार इन्हीं के कार्यकाल में दंगे के कारण वो परिस्थिति उत्पन्न होती है कि सेना बुलानी पड़ती है, और उसके बाद आरोप हमारे ऊपर, और कांग्रेस बैठकर
No, the question is only this. One
और
second.
कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी वाले एक शब्द नहीं बोल रहे थे।
The question is only, no, one
कारण से
second.
वो हालात पैदा होते हैं।
One minute. 60 people died.
पूरे हिंदुस्तान
वो एक मिनट।
छतों पर थाली किसने?
वकार जी, एक मिनट।
समाजवादी पार्टी ने पिटवाई।
Wakar ji, एक मिनट. Mahapanchayat was called on September 7th, attended by Sangeet Som, Jukum Singh, Sanjeev Balia, Suresh Rana and others. Inflammatory speeches were made during this event that led to the Muzaffarnagar riots. 60 people lost their lives. Thousands were rendered homeless. Have you not learned the lessons? You want this to happen again? If hundreds of people die again, will you then
I
keep
am
blaming
having an
people?
objection on the
tell
sentence
me,
that
and tell me, Mr.
inflammatory
Sudhanshu
speeches were
Trivedi,
made.
Mr. Trivedi, are you some custodian of Hindu religion? Are you the custodian of the Hindu
No.
religion that you know?
I
Tell me
just
on what
want to
right.
say,
I think you ask Hindus in this country, they
the
will
UP
say we
government
don't
has
want to
taken a
riot.
plea.
Hindus will say
The
we
same
don't want to riot.
sentence which you are saying that
Are you the custodian, or is
The
the
same
RSS?
sentence which you are saying
is the
that UP
RSS the
government has
custodian
taken a
of
plea in
Hindu
the
interests
court.
in the country? On what basis? Hindus don't want to riot.
Can I say something?
Hindus don't
Can I
want
say
to riot.
something?
Hindus don't believe in creating
What you are
trouble
saying, Arnav,
and
this was
instigating
the same
violence.
plea of Uttar Pradesh government in the court when they imposed National Security Act on our leaders, and they were unable to prove. It means the entire premise of making the
I'll
charges
play
against
the pictures I
BJP
want to see.
leaders fall flat on the ground.
Sir, Sangeet Som and
because
his...
they were unable to prove the National Security Act.
Sir, one second.
NSA. So NSA was removed.
Sir,
because
don't-
the government was
sir,
unable
sir,
to
what
prove in the
you're-
court of law.
sir, what-
then how you can say that leaders were guilty and it was
But Mr.
selectively
Trivedi-
targeted on one community?
But Mr. One second, एक minute, I'm going to...
My one question, Sudhanshu ji. No, my one question, Sudhanshu ji. After Muzaffarnagar incident, these two people have become member parliament. They were responsible, or they were involved in Muzaffarnagar, all the riots. Now, why they are going to Muradabad? Are they becoming
Exactly.
a trouble creator? They have become the
Professional
entire
trouble
state
creators,
where
professional
they will
rioters.
go, they will create disturbances, and they have become the symbol of creating troubles and communal clashes. I think the UP government, and at the same time, Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, now you are in power at the center. Your responsibility
Absolutely.
that you should extend all support to Uttar Pradesh government to deal such type of people, those who want to crack the bonds of friendship, those who are bent upon to create disturbances, and those who are bent upon to divide people on the basis of communalism and casteism. And your duty, solemn duty, as a Rajnath Singh is Home Minister of this country, and then Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of this country, of BJP, you should check the RSS design and you should pave the way for peace and tranquility. That should be your role. And if you are not playing the role, you will be, from the heavens of affairs, as the Prime Minister, you will be the destructor of the country. The Bharatiya Janata Party will be the destructor of breaking the unity and integrity of this country.
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, इस चैनल पर मैं एक बात कह के जाना चाहता हूं कि आपको पता है कि आप लोग कहीं से देशभक्त नहीं हैं, इसलिए आप सांप्रदायिकता की आग फैलाकर चुनाव लड़ना चाहते हैं। अगर आपको ये बात पता होती कि आप सेकुलर लोग हैं, अच्छे लोग हैं, तो आप अच्छाई को मुद्दा बनाकर चुनाव लड़ते, लेकिन आपको पता है कि हिंदुस्तान को सिर्फ बांटा जा सकता है, इसलिए आप बांटने की राजनीति करते हैं और बांट कर चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं। समाजवादी पार्टी ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, जो प्रशासन ने सख्ती की, वरना आप तो पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश को सांप्रदायिकता की आग में
Rita Bahuguna Joshi.
Into battlegrounds of communal tension. Communal battlegrounds they are creating in UP. And they should be stopped. The very three faces who were garlanded in Agra, who were honored in Agra by the BJP, they're emboldened and they're going around all entire Western UP creating communal tensions. This is a well thought out strategy. And why is the Home Minister quiet? Why is he not speaking, the Home Minister of India? When Muzaffarnagar happened, it was the same BJP which was saying, why is the centre quiet? We want to hear the voice of the Home Minister of India, what he thinks about this incident. The way they are fighting a pitched battle with the police, with the administration, it is all pre-planned, and they are trying to create a divide which will harm not a year or two but decades of peaceful life in Uttar Pradesh. They are doing this deliberately to divert the minds of the people from the more pressing needs and requirements of the country.
Even if you get all the, even if you win all the seats.
Is a burning question. They're not diverting. They're diverting our minds.
What's Sudhanshu Trivedi, question from Ajay Bose.
Arnab, I have a question.
Yes.
I have a question for Mr. Trivedi.
Yes.
Just tell me, Mr. Trivedi, where does Mr. Modi's agenda for development fit into this? If the country's largest state goes up in flames, if your people there create a situation where there is a communal conflagration, we have already seen that the government there, the state government there, is not a particularly great government when it comes to controlling riots. Please understand today that your party is in power in New Delhi. Mr. Modi has been elected with a huge majority because he has promised a new future for India, Achhe Din. And how will this Achhe Din come? How will this development take place if the country's largest state goes up in flames? I mean, this is ludicrous logic. What kind of politics are you playing?
Mr. Trivedi, you can answer on the day of the Mahapanchayat.
Yes.
No, I just want, Mr. Trivedi, as you reply,
Yes.
I want to run to the pictures today of what happened and tell our viewers one thing. On the day of the Mahapanchayat, let's go full frame to the pictures. July 4th, Sangeet Som and his troublemaking acolytes of the BJP detained, and we see a flare-up where BJP workers defy curfew orders and march towards the venue of the Mahapanchayat, which is near the Kant railway station. They climb up on trains, they create massive ruckus, they destroy property, they damage the overhead railway tracks. They stop trains, they cause delays. When the local police arrives to contain the situation, they pelt stones, they injure the district magistrate in the process. So there was a keen insistence on defying the curfew and creating a volatile law and order situation in a communally sensitive town, which exposes the BJP's attempts to polarize. Mr. Trivedi, the question to you is this. You have all done this. You have done all this keeping in mind that Moradabad has historically been a communally sensitive town. You know UP, Mr. Trivedi. You know there were riots there in August 2011 at the time of Eid. Don't you know that? Don't you know there were riots in Moradabad at the time of Eid in 2011? houses were burnt, people were injured. You want to create that all over again? If so, why?
Arnav, since your debate is me versus rest, so can I get 1.5 minutes of uninterruption?
Absolutely, you can.
It has become a fashionable argument to blame BJP and RSS on every aspect. Prior to election, we were blamed that we are in the opposition, so we are trying to create a communal atmosphere. Now we are in power at center, so we are blamed because we are in the power. So either the logic can be true, both the logics cannot be true in a span of 2 months. Now Mr. Ajay Bose has said that where is the agenda for governance? Yes, of course, we are committed for agenda for governance and development. Can we be interested in creating this situation? No, definitely those who want to interrupt us, those who want to blame us will be interested in creating a provocative situation, for which nobody is trying or understanding the depth of the situation or root cause of the situation. And as far as the allegation of Samajwadi Party is concerned that we have divided the society, let me complete my sentence. We have divided the society. He has stated the sentence in Hindi, so I would like to reply. उन्होंने कहा कि हमने बांटा है. अरे आपने किस किस में नहीं बांटा? आपने शिक्षा में बांटा सांप्रदायिकता, गरीबी में बांटा, आपने मुआवजे में बांटा, आपने सुरक्षा में बांटा, आपने सेना में बांटा. अरे मैं तो ये कहूंगा कि अंग्रेजों ने हमको बांटा, फिर भी अपने देश की खातिर, और इन सब ने हर परिवेश को बांटा.
आप जोड़ रहे थे
देश की खातिर आप
संगीत सॉन्ग जोड़ रहे थे वहां पे.
आज वो हालात पैदा किए हैं जिसकी वजह से देश में जगह जगह पैदा होती है. ये समाजवादी पार्टी और कांग्रेस को अपने गिरबान में झांक के देखना चाहिए.
deliberate
Who has
attempt.
created communal divide in army? It was Congress. Who has created communal divide in compensation? It was Samajwadi Party. Who has created communal divide in a loan given to poverty-ridden people? It was Congress.
अपने समाज को और अपने बच्चों को क्या देके जाएंगे?
Who has created this divide? It is the BJP which created divide. It is the Congress, Samajwadi Party and Communist Party created a divide. I would like to ask Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan, their government in Kerala has not passed a resolution in favor of Madani.
Shall we go on?
Who was a terror accused in Coimbatore class?
UP goes up in
On terrorism, you are having a communal divide. On each and every aspect, you try to divide the entire establishment on the communal lines.
And you want to create this situation, you want to make a
But you promised
national
Achhe Din.
issue out of it.
And it is my allegation
local
since the
issue.
BJP has
You
come in
should not
power,
have
so they want to
interfered in
create
that
an
local
atmosphere
issue.
so that
The
they
local
can
issue
score a
should
brownie
have
point
sorted
on
it
the
out
issue
with
of
your
communal
ministry.
divide.
Sir, you promised Achhe Din.
Jumped in because you wanted to make capital out of this
You
situation.
promised Achhe Din. Will you acknowledge?
Committed
You want
a
to
lot of
You
things.
promised Achhe Din. Will you acknowledge that? Will you acknowledge, Gaurav Bhatia, welcome to the debate. Will you acknowledge that Sangeet Som is a disgrace to the party? That Sangeet Som, like Tapas Pal, is a disgrace to India's political establishment?
As with creating communal violence here and there.
Can I come in?
Instigating communal violence here and
Now,
there.
I just want to
What
ask
will
one
like?
question, why the communal matter has become so sensitive only in Samajwadi Party government?
I just want to know only one point.
Not in the
Mr.
other
Trivedi.
states. Which are the
Prime
BJP rules?
Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Rajnath Singh and RSS Chief Bhagwat, what are their game plans? They want to disturb Uttar Pradesh government?
Yes.
They want to impose president rule here?
Yes.
They want to create communal clashes? And then you will say the UP has gone out of bounds, so the intervention, so the president ruled. But you must understand, this nefarious game will never be completed because there is Supreme Court judgment on SR Bomai case. You can't purchase the MLAs. Your party is not in power, far away from the power, and democratic and secular forces in this state will fight you. Every inch battle will take place if the nefarious designs of Modi, Rajnath and Bhagwat comes to Uttar Pradesh. That much I want to
Atul
assure.
Kumar Anjan
And
coming
I-
into the debate.
I
Gaurav
totally
Bhatia right
refuse
now. 1 second. I like to
Atul Anjan's statement because he is going strictly against the fact.
You want to hold a Mahapanchayat. You want to hold a Mahapanchayat and you are coming on the trains. With the coming on the trains in thousands, you want to have a Mahapanchayat. You want to conquer that place.
The
With your religious
Mahapanchayats,
fanaticism.
the
What do you want to distribute
Mr.
to people?
Anjan, I welcome Gaurav Bhatia to the debate. I want to make one point, just one point.
No.
The Mahapanchayats are a recipe for violence.
Sentence on Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan.
Sir,
I want to ask Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan on the issue of Muzaffarnagar riots. What was the observation of Supreme Court? The Supreme Court said that this was solely
Arnab,
because
allow
of
me
the
to
gross
come in so
negligence
that
of the
I can
Uttar
also
Pradesh
voice my
government.
opinion.
It is not Mohan Bhagwat ji or Narendra Modi ji who is saying like this. It is the
That
Supreme
doesn't
Court of India
involve
which
you.
said like this. And the sting
All
operation
right.
done
Arnab,
by
can I
a
come?
reputed
Respond.
TV channel has exposed
To the point.
the involvement of a minister.
Arnab, okay.
These type of
you have
rhetorics
asked me
are
question, I'm replying.
totally in
Yes, I
contrast
agree.
with the facts
It
and try
was
to
a
mislead the
complete
people of the communal
failure
line.
of the law enforcing agencies in Muzaffarnagar.
Supreme Court observed that the failure of law and order was because of the Uttar Pradesh government.
All right. If the today in
I fail to understand the situation. Gentlemen, let me come in. I have a... One second, gentlemen, one second. Gentlemen, my voice is not good today. I have a sore throat. Please indulge me. 1 second for a minute. I fail to understand this situation. Like, you create trouble and then you say the state government can't handle it. Just 1 point, Gaurav Bhatia is coming in. The Mahapanchayats are a recipe for violence that was evident not just in Muzaffarnagar. It was evident in Meerut on September 30th. It was there that Sangeet Som supporters went on a rampage. They pelted stones, they damaged vehicles, and not unlike what they had done now, he was charged under the NSA by the UP government. This man is a troublemaker. I am asking tonight, why can't Narendra Modi control Sangeet Som? He promised to control these kind of people. He told me that he would. Why is he not doing that? Gaurav Bhatia responding now to Sudhanshu Trivedi, please.
Arnab,
Arnab, I just wish to remind Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi that the real mayhem that was caused during Muzaffarnagar riots was a creation of BJP leaders like Sangeet Som, Suresh Raina, Sanjeev Balia, and they are charge-sheeted as of now. But the unfortunate part is that the BJP decides to felicitate such leaders rather than taking action against them. And today what they are trying to do is they are trying to again communalize the entire environment in the state of UP for their political mileage, which I assure them that the state government would not allow. And just like the 84 Kos Parikrama Yatra failed, this ploy of theirs would also fail, and we will take strict action against persons like Sangeet Som, Suresh Raina and other MPs who are trying to vitiate the atmosphere in UP. And also I would say it is so unfortunate that the BJP government, which harps about development, today has completely forgotten about their agenda, and they are trying to spread again communal hatred amongst communities. And what kind of a national party or a government we have which is trying to have reasons to impose president rule? I completely agree with Mr. Atul Anjan that oblivious of the SR Bomai judgment, they're trying to create situation there in UP so that they can say that law and order has failed. But who are the perpetrators of crime? They need to answer that. This facade of theirs needs to be exposed.
He wants to respond to you. His hands go up. The BJP has not only been tolerant of Sangeet Som, they have honored him for being booked in the Muzaffarnagar riots. Sanjeev Balia, who is a minister of state in the Narendra Modi government, is out on bail.
Felicitated him.
Is out on bail for making inflammatory statements in the run-up to the Muzaffarnagar riots.
I would ask Mr. Gaurav
But he's
Bhatia,
still charge-sheeted,
don't take the
Arnab.
thing
He's
in
still an accused
compartmental
in the
aspect.
case.
Take the thing in the holistic
Yes.
aspect. There is a systematic killing of BJP workers after the elections and
Please go
BJP
ahead.
leaders. Series of killings. Who has done this? It was the BJP which has done this.
The
It is
BJP
your government which is
workers are
provocating
using
continuously.
headquarters
And
to
forget
have
about the
stones.
communal.
They are
All the
using it
criminals
to
in
have
Uttar
dry
Pradesh
water
are being
and
judged
they're
by
using
their
it as a
community.
weapon.
This
What
is
are
my
you talking
allegation.
about?
All the criminals in Uttar Pradesh are judged by their community in Samajwadi Party government. This has become the major cause of law and order problem in Uttar Pradesh.
Mr.
Continuous killing of BJP workers and BJP
How are you
leaders by
using the
Samajwadi
BJP
Party
headquarters in
government
Lucknow?
and
It's
gruesome
being used
killing and
keep
gruesome
stones
murder
there
and
to
gruesome act
paint,
against the women.
stones at police.
It has been done by the BJP or the provocation of BJP. You should try to have some introspection before saying this type of things. The law and order part of the problem is a chronic disease of
What have
Samajwadi
you
Party
done
by
with
its nature.
Suresh Rana and Sanjeev Balia? You rewarded them by... You rewarded Sanjeev
You
Balia
tried
by
to
giving
impose
him a Lok
National
Sabha
Security
ticket
Act. You
rather
were
than
unable
punishing
to
him.
prove that.
And you come
So
on
it
national
proven that it
television
was a
and you
political
preach
vendetta. So we have
what is
demonstrated.
communalism
There
and
was
what is
nothing
not
wrong in that.
communalism.
Why did you break the curfew?
I can tell you that
Why did you break the curfew?
If the BJP government
No, 1
continues
second.
like this,
No, 1 minute.
president rule will be imposed
my question
in the
is-
country.
my simple-
Okay, I think the president would have to invoke Article 356 and your government would be dismissed.
Why did you break the curfew, Mr. Sudhanshu?
BJP is having an impeccable track record on Article 356. We have never used that.
This is how they're behaving.
Why did you break the curfew? On June 29th, it was the BJP that announced Mr. Trivedi its decision to call for a Mahapanchayat on July 4th to protest against the removal of a loudspeaker at a temple despite there being a curfew in place. My question to you is at two levels. Do you think you are saving Hindu religion? Do you think you are saving Hindu religion by playing a loudspeaker at a temple in that communally sensitive zone? Do you think all the Hindus in the country will stand up and give you a round of applause for creating communal tension? Did you break the curfew or not? Why did you break the curfew? What is your adherence to the law? Why are you doing this repeatedly? Was the curfew?
There was also an agreement that the MPs entered
BJP,
into, which they violated.
Why did your people
to become a champion of any community?
Like dacoits?
Can I say something?
Like
BJP
dacoits,
is not having any intention to become a champion of any community.
1 second. Like
it
dacoits,
is the Samajwadi Party and the Congress Party.
Like dacoits,
and it is not my statement. It is A.K. Antony's statement that Congress Party is aligned too much with one community.
Sir,
why their leaders, their senior leaders are saying that those parties have indulged
मेरा
in the politics of one community.
मेरा सवाल तो ये है सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी सवाल तो मेरा ये है, सवाल तो मेरा यह है कि किस तरह की चंबल घाटी की पॉलिटिक्स है जहां पे बीजेपी के नेता, बीजेपी के लीडर्स ट्रेन में घुस के, ट्रेन में रोक के लोगों को परेशान करते हैं. ये चंबल घाटी में भी नहीं होती थी. Dacoits also did not do that. Why are your party leaders doing that today? Answer me, Mr. Trivedi.
Or not.
Did they stop a train?
Or not.
Why did they do that, Mr. Trivedi? Tell me today.
Or not.
देखिए, if they have stopped the
Upasana
train,
Express.
they have do anything, we totally condemn that. But if you look at the total perspective of the picture, continuous killing of the leaders and killings, those things which come in media, there are several things happening on the ground, which has been consistently done by Samajwadi Party for provocating BJP leaders. They are trying to take revenge of their defeat. And it is being proven in the last 1 month. More than a dozen of leaders have been killed. And you are taking the thing out of context and then imposing a communal color in that.
Youth leader was
this is not true. This is not justified.
Your BJP leader. I think you're not aware of the facts, Mr. Kulkarni. Your youth leader was trying to target and kill your BJP leader. You are not aware of that. It is due to internal bickering in the BJP.
Ajay Bose.
Arnab, if I may come in, you look at the chilling logic which is being used. You know, Mr. Trivedi says Samajwadi Party is alienating Hindus. Samajwadi Party is killing BJP leaders. It may well be true, but does that then justify a counter-attack by BJP and RSS Hindu Mahasabha in
Mr. Ajay Bose, it is not me which is saying. It is Mr. A.K. Antony which is saying.
No. You are
follow
giving
him
a justification.
rather than asking to
You are
me.
giving a justification
Who
for
is
today's
heading this
violence,
committee?
of today's flouting of orders.
Investigate the results of
You are
the
trying to
Congress
justify
Party.
it. You are
I'm
you are
not
trying to
justify
justify it.
I am
And
just
that is
trying
the
to show them a
danger.
mirror.
You are creating a Frankenstein's monster. It will devour you.
This is the danger that you continuously do a biased, partisan, communal politics and try to have a cover-up on the ostensible ground of communal, secular politics. This is the danger. This is the basic danger which has created so many problems in the Indian political history of 67 years.
I think Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi is not aware. Arnab,
Yeah.
I think Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi is not aware that the MP from BJP himself had entered into an agreement where it was decided between all the parties that the speakers would be put back. But just to communalize the entire environment, they did that, and they itself violated the agreement that they had agreed to. And right now, I think when 144 has been imposed in the area, they have violated the law itself. And the DM was acting in a responsible manner, getting all the communities together. But the BJP did not want that, because they had some ill intentions to communally charge the entire atmosphere there.
My question is at a broader level. When Anil Shirole, the BJP MP from Pune, made a disgraceful remark following the murder of Mohsin Sheikh, and I want to put this to Atul Kumar Anjan here and Rita Bahuguna Joshi, allegedly by members of the Hindu Rashtra Sena, he claimed it was a natural repercussion. Today you are saying what happened in Moradabad is a natural reaction. You realize this is the same logic, and Narendra Modi told me that I will stop these kind of people through some internal mechanism. Where is that mechanism today? It is 1.5 months since the Modi government came to power. These people are being encouraged. And the only reason, Mr. Trivedi, don't get me wrong, the only reason I'm asking this question today is because I believe that today in Moradabad, we were on the edge of a bigger possible riot. Thank God the situation was brought under control. Wasn't it, Rita Bahuguna Joshi? Today we were on the edge of a bigger confrontation. Do we want a bloodbath? Will we then have TV debates like this on who started it if there is a bloodbath tomorrow? Will that improve the image of the Narendra Modi government, Mr. Trivedi? Do you realize how sensitive the situation has become, Atul Kumar Ranjan? Yes.
Arnav, you have correctly raised the issues and you have very pinpointedly questioned you have put before Mr. Trivedi. I just want to say one point. Mr. Narendra Modi goes around here and there, he speaks in chambers, he speaks inside the parliament and outside, says the development is the main agenda for his government. But his agenda is something else. There is a hidden agenda. With this sort of communal rights if you are creating, I want to tell the corporate world where you will have business, who will send you the money, who will invest in India. With this sort of social fabric where everywhere there is a sort of communal clashes, there is a difference, there is a distrust. In that situation you want to move from 4.5% to 8%. You want to bring India into the world map. I think it is not there. And I say, Mr. Trivedi, I just want to tell Mr. Rajnath Singh also, Mr. Bhagwat and Mr. Modi. Mr. Modi, the public making speeches, and speeches are now over. Now the point has come for reaction. Now you have to react. But such type of reaction, communal reaction, will not help. And I think right now, all the democratic and secular forces, those who believe in the Constitution of India, with this sort of act, we have to save the Constitution of India also. And at the same time,
why don't you throw out Sangeet Singh from the BJP? Why don't you throw him out of the BJP? Trivedi ji, आप उसको इनको निकाल बाहर क्यों नहीं करते?
There is an agenda. There is an agenda.
आप उनको निकाल क्यों नहीं देते?
BJP RSS. They want to destroy the UP and Bihar government. And Mr. Trivedi has said, thrice military was called in UP. By doing this act, by communalizing situation, you want to bring
5 minutes on the debate, the BJP should respond now.
There must be a precedent rule. This game, we understand, there was in Uttar Pradesh, this game will not be allowed by the democratic forces.
3 MPs and 3 MLAs defending
I just want to ask Mr. Sudhanshu Joshi a question.
It's a very serious issue. They are public representatives. They take oath on the Constitution. The Constitution. And there is a definite silence from the BJP High Command.
खराब की जाए और उसके बाद जब उत्तर प्रदेश की गवर्नमेंट आर्मी कॉल करती है सेंटर से, तो ये दिखा दिया जाए कि उत्तर प्रदेश में हालात बहुत खराब हैं और ये संभाल नहीं पा रहे हैं, इसलिए प्रेसिडेंट रूल लगा देना चाहिए। लेकिन ये बात भूल गए कि सवाल ये भी खड़ा होगा कि जो प्रधानमंत्री तरक्की की बात करते थे, डेवलपमेंट की बात करते थे, और आज देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं, तो उनको देश के भी हालात पता हैं और अपनी पार्टी के हालात भी पता हैं। क्या उनको इस बात का जवाब नहीं देना चाहिए देश के सामने कि उनके 3 सांसद, उनके विधायक, उनके लीडर मुरादाबाद के कांठ में कौन सी प्लानिंग कर रहे थे? क्या उनको देश के सामने इस बात का खुलासा नहीं करना चाहिए कि लोगों का खून बहाने का जो चाल चली जा रही थी, उत्तर प्रदेश को जो आग लगाने की जो प्लानिंग की जा रही थी, ये किसके कहने पे की जा रही थी? इस बात का जवाब तो मोहन भागवत जी को भी देना पड़ेगा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के एक लीडर को देना पड़ेगा। ये तो हमारे मुख्यमंत्री की सूझबूझ है कि उन्होंने इतनी तेजी से मुजफ्फरनगर में जो निर्णय किया था, उसको देखते हुए माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने जितनी अपनी सूझबूझ और तेज तर्रारी से इस मुरादाबाद कांड को कंट्रोल किया है, वरना इनका इरादा तो उत्तर प्रदेश की स्थिति में स्थिति को खराब करना था और यहाँ पर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की सिचुएशन को खराब दिखाकर प्रेसिडेंट रूल की सिफारिश करना था। ये झूठे लोग हैं, अच्छे लोग नहीं हैं, इनको चाहिए कि ये देश से माफी मांगे।
No, we should let the BJP respond. Okay, quickly, Gaurav, because then we'll get the BJP to respond. It's 1 versus 5 on the News Hour tonight. Yes.
Yeah, sure. No, Arnab, I just want to take you back in time and remind Mr. Amit Shah going to Ayodhya to communalize the environment in UP. After that, what happens in Muzaffarnagar? They orchestrate these riots. 84 Kos Parikrama Yatra, they wanted to again have communal riots. Somehow the state government was quick to act and fail their plans. And now again in Muradabad, when an amicable solution was reached, what was the reasons for the BJP leaders to have this Mahapanchayat and politicize the entire issue? There was an agreement signed by the MP of BJP and they decided to violate that agreement later because they thought that they would politically gain if there are communal riots in the state of UP. And I think there have been series of events. Their intentions are clear now, and till they discipline their own MPs.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Like Sangeet Som, Suresh Rana, Sanjeev Balia. I think their only plan is to have these communal riots.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, on several occasions in the past, we have brutally criticized the Samajwadi government for failing to control the law and order situation. You know that. But what is happening right now is the politics of instigation. My question to you, sir, is here is a great opportunity to distance yourself from the instigators. Mr. Trivedi, the whole country will stand up and applaud Rajnath Singh and Narendra Modi if they can throw out Sangeet Som from the BJP or at least suspend him. If you do that, people will say, yeah, this is a strong government. If you don't do that, then people might say it's a strong government only in theory. When it comes to acting against people who are bloodthirsty rioters, it is a weak government. You understand, Mr. Trivedi, people are watching you tonight.
On this issue of communal agenda versus development agenda and its subsequent political gain, for the time being, I want to set aside the communal allegations. They are free to have anything, whatever they think about us, and we are having some different perspective. I would like to just put few facts about the development agenda. What was the growth rate and the inflation during the Congress regime? What was the growth rate in Samajwadi Party? Let me complete my sentence. What was the growth rate during West Bengal in the left rule? What was during the Lalu Prasad Yadav's regime? When the entire growth rate... Let me complete the sentence. Let me complete the sentence.
Okay, let him
when the entire growth rate of the country is less than 5%, most of the BJP ruled state are having 10%. Who has proved the record of development? If we are having the better record of development, and in the last year assembly elections there was no communal issue and we have routed Congress, then it can be easily, conclusion can be drawn, who needs agenda of communal divide for fighting election? We or you? It is not the BJP, because we are having an extraordinary record of development and good administration. So it is imperative on the part of those parties who have utterly failed in performing the good governance to create a communal divide in which the Communist Party, Samajwadi Party and Congress Party all hand in glove.
No growth can compensate for a bloodbath.
I have one question.
No growth.
BJP take action?
No growth can compensate for a riot. No development can balance out a communally instigated situation. We can throw all development away.
There was no communal right, total communal harmony and full development. Why it happens only those states?
What happened in Muzaffarnagar today?
Like the Samajwadi Party.
What happened in Muzaffarnagar today? What happened in Moradabad today?
For Mr. Trivedi. I have just one question for Mr. Trivedi.
Why it happens?
I have just one question. I just want to
आप यहाँ पर अपने आप को बता रहे हैं,
I have just one question.
आपके पास जवाब नहीं है। मैंने आपसे एक छोटी सी बात पूछी है कि अपने आप को देश का प्रधानमंत्री कहने वाले श्री मोदी जी, आपके पार्टी के लीडर श्री मोदी जी, आपके गृह मंत्री श्री राजनाथ जी को इस मुरादाबाद के कारनामे की खबर पहले से थी कि नहीं थी? आप इस बात का जवाब दीजिए।
आपकी सरकार है उत्तर प्रदेश में, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, आपको इसकी जानकारी हमसे पहले होनी चाहिए थी कि नहीं? लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इज स्टेट सब्जेक्ट, आपको पहले जानकारी होनी चाहिए थी हमसे। आप इसका जवाब दीजिए और उसके बाद हमसे
लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की स्थिति खराब करना चाह रहे थे। ये आपके प्रधानमंत्री गृह मंत्री की चाल थी।
I put this question for our viewers.
खुलासा कीजिए यहाँ पर।
I put this question.
जानकारी आपके नेताओं को थी कि नहीं थी?
Last word to Ajay Bose.
Without the approval of this center.
I have one question for Mr. Trivedi.
Yes,
Mr. Trivedi, if we accept your logic that you do not need communal, sort of divide, and just development agenda is good enough for you to win elections, then what is keeping you from what Arnav has suggested?
Throw out Sangeet Som.
Sack or suspend this man.
Throw him out.
Sack or suspend this man who's clearly instigating communal violence in a sensitive area. What is then to keep you? If you are so powerful and confident
I
in your
would like
development
to ask the
agenda,
Uttar
then it
Pradesh
should be easy.
government to book him in a proper case and prove in the court of law where is the problem. You are having the government book him in the proper
no, it's
law
not just
and
the government.
prove him in the
It is
guilty in the
time.
court
So you
of
mean
law.
that there is
which
no
you
internal party?
Which you failed to prove.
Stop
There is no
asking
internal
for
party.
But then why did you? No. But why did Modi
preaching
say?
and take action against your MP? Why don't you
are
stop preaching
saying
and take action against Mr.
that
Sangeet
if you
Som?
consider
Why do you
that
have to
our
ask the UP
MP
government?
has done some
The
guilt
party should
and
act, the
criminal
BJP should
activity,
act
in my
today.
opinion, which has not done. If this is
Mr.
your
Modi
government,
said-
you book
Sangeet
him
Som is already
and prove him
charged.
and put him behind the bar.
Mr. Modi said.
Why you are not doing this?
Mr.
And you are unnecessary.
As I wrap up,
to take the action.
Sangeet
We're wrapping
Som
up. Mr.
is facing
Mr.
a
Modi
trial for
spoke.
Muzaffarnagar riots.
Mr. Modi spoke, Gaurav, of internal party mechanism. Today you can't say let the UP government book them in a case. You said you're the internal party mechanism to control these kind of people. All I'm asking today is, and I'm wrapping up at this point, please show me that internal party mechanism. No. How did it disappear after the elections? If there is no internal party mechanism, tell us. Or if that party mechanism is controlled from Nagpur, tell us that and the people will understand. But should the BJP sack Sangeet Som is a question I put to the audience. Well, thank you very much, Sudhanshu Trivedi, especially for taking on 4 or 5 people on this debate tonight. Thank you for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.